3 years ago, God spoke to me clearly to buy a piece of property on Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. From this place that we would gather worshipers and intercessors from across the nations of the world to slay spiritual giants in the land. We named this place Camp Elah after the very brook where David picked up the smooth stones to slay Goliath. The night before the historic presidential inauguration, we gathered once again in our stronghold to worship and pray. But this time, we captured the sounds and the prayers of what was released from this space. On February 7th, we will be releasing this for the world to hear. For the first time ever, In God We Trust will be releasing from Camp Elah on Capitol Hill.
Coming like a fire, coming like a wind, coming like a flood, we welcome you in. Coming like a fire, coming like a